One of the most common reasons that hearing aids don't work, aside from the battery being dead, is they get plugged with earwax. So today we're going to change the wax trap on a right or receiver in the ear hearing aid. In order to change the wax traps, you're going to remove the little rubber tip at the end. When you remove the rubber tip, you can see this little white filter. That's the wax trap. Most manufacturers of hearing aids have wax traps, and they all look a little bit different. These happen to be Phonak wax traps. You can see on one end we have the new wax trap, and on the other end we have the tool to remove the old one. You take the tool to remove the old wax trap and you insert it into the end of the hearing aid and the old wax trap. Remove the wax trap, spin the tool around and put the new wax trap in, remove the tool. The final step is to replace the earbud. You just slide the earbud back over the end, and you've now replaced the wax trap on a right or receiver in the canal hearing aid.